Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 30 of OG Verbal second edition by using e-GMAT three-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. Thomas Eakins' powerful style and his choices of subject, the advances in modern surgery, the discipline of sports, the strains of individuals' in tension with society or even with themselves was as disturbing to his own time as it is compelling for ours. This sentence presents a comparison. It says that Thomas Eakins' powerful style and choice of subjects were as disturbing to his own time as they are compelling for ours. Usage of these as presents the comparison here. Now let us evaluate the errors in this sentence. We'll do it by splitting our sentence into its clauses. So here comes our first clause. Here, powerful style and his choices of subject are the subjects and was is the verb. After as, we have another subject verb pair, which means we have another clause here. Now in this clause, it is the subject and is the verb. Now there are two subjects in the first clause, powerful style and his choices of subject. For this plural subject, singular verb was has been used. So certainly we have the subject verb number agreement error here. Also, singular pronoun it has a plural noun antecedent, powerful style and his choice of subject, which is incorrect. Also, this pronoun error leads to the subject verb agreement error because is has been used because of the presence of this it. So we certainly have the pronoun error here, and this pronoun error leads to another subject verb agreement error in clause 2. Alright, now let us run the POE to find out what's the correct answer. Well, choice A is not the correct answer as we discussed just now. In choice B, was has been changed to were, which is correct now, and it is has been changed to they are. So all the errors have been taken care of in choice B, and thus choice B is the correct answer. Well, we will still review the remaining choices. In choice C, we have has been as disturbing. Now has been, the singular verb, has again been used to refer to the plural subjects, which is not correct. Also, has been disturbing is the present perfect continuous tense, which has been used to refer to Eakins' time, which is past. So usage of present perfect continuous to talk about the time or an event that took place in past is not correct. So these are the errors in choice C. In choice D, we have had been. Now had been represents time sequencing here, which is not correct because this sentence talks about only two times, Eakins' time, which is in the past and which should be denoted by using simple past tense, and our time, which is the present time, which must be denoted by the simple present tense. So using had been now represents the time sequencing here, which is not correct as per the intended meaning of the sentence. So this time sequencing in the sentence is incorrect. Also, pronoun subject verb agreement error that we had in choice A still continues in this choice as well. Also, was has been used to denote to our time, which is actually present, which is not correct. Was cannot be used to refer to the present time. So these are the errors in choice D. Well, in choice E, again we have the verb tense error because present perfect continuous have been disturbing has been used to refer to Eakins' time, which is in the past. So as we discussed earlier, choice B is the correct answer for this sentence. Time to take a look at the takeaway messages. All the subject verb pairs in the sentence must agree in number with each other. All the pronouns also must agree in number with their noun antecedents, and correct verb tense must be used in order to clearly distinguish between the time periods used in the sentence. Now the concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT concepts, verb tenses 1, subject verb agree in number, and pronouns.